Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to remove formula from these cells. In this table, if you see, the highlighted rows in yellow contains formula. This cell contains the formula B2 into C2, which is a multiplication of these two cells. What if I want to remove the formulas and just want to paste the cell values? So I'll copy the entire table. I'll do Control C and I'll right click and I'll be able to see paste special. There are multiple values under paste special. So if I just want to paste the value without any formula, I'll click on this paste values option. If I click on this first option, it will just paste the value that were present in the above table without any formula. So if I click on this, it just contains the value and not the formula. Thank you.